Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about a new token known as a Shitzu. I will complete review this token and explain how you can buy it and gain profit from it. And before starting the video, I request my all viewer please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. And please watch the complete video to gain a more knowledge about this website. And in this video, I will explain your Shihtzu Exchange websites. And in the top you can see a website user and URL Shihtzu Exchange, and in the down you can see a logo of Shitzu Meme Coin, and in the down you see every Shiba needs a Shitzu, and here you can blinking memes coin NFT marketplace and a metaverse. And in the down you can see we build Shihtzu Exchange metaverse universe with a powerful mission in mind. We will bring NFTs and the metaverse platform to the worldwide user for the rewarding the token holder with a passive income in Shihtzu dollar. And check our profile. This is the link of the profile of metaverse and NFT and Shihtzu. You can see it. I will provide you a link in a description. You will check out it and see the websites all information clearly. And in the down you can see get started with Shihtzu universe. Be your own NFT with next generation STZU tokens. Shihtzu Exchange NFT are unique digital assets which is created on the BCC network. They can be everything from gaming items and digital art to sports collectibles and real world assets. And in his here you can see that a Shihtzu other logo, and in the down you can see a Shihtzu mission. In this paragraph he will completely explain about a Shihtzu mission. We bringing more than 10 million user into a Shihtzu metaverse. Shihtzu Exchange token drive the mass adoption of NFT minting and in metaverse by advanced capabilities as dollar Shihtzu will be the sole currency of the entire universe, paid in Shitoo, scan, listening, NFTs, and all payment in any direction. Shihtzu Exchange aims to change the world through financial, technical, and perceptive endeavors, ultimately population of the next generation. And in the right you can see a token info, and you can click it and see the token info. I will explain at the end of token info and all its details. And in the down you can see enter the Shihtzu universes. We are building a next generation NFT mining networks and metaverse platform for memes can industry. Shihtzu Exchange allow various applications that might want to use our platform for browsing, discovering, and management of NFTs, including wallets or DAA framework. Our NFT marketplace and metaverse platform implements a royalty standard for mined NFT as well as for extremely minted NFT. This is enable NFC the sold and protocol application to be purchased and sold on other protocols. And in the down you can see Shihtzu Exchange meme coin. This is the link of for exchanging meme coin and detail in it. Shihtzu NFT mining network marketing, and in the down you can see Shihtzu metaverse platform. And in the down you see what a Shihtzu NFT. In this paragraph he will explain about a NFT Shihtzu, and you can see a video embedded in this paragraph. You can watch it and gain more information about a Shihtzu international metaverse NFTs. And there in this paragraph he will describe about Shihtzu NFT. I will read it and tell you clearly. Shihtzu Exchange NFTs are unique digital assets created on the advanced Shihtzu blockchain network. They can be everything from gaming item and digital art to sport collectibles and real world assets. It will bring your NFT to life via a simple interface and send them through QR codes and give them utility using tools that make it feels effortless. It will bring your trading skills and discovers rare NFTs from gaming items and digital art to collectibles from your favorite brands. And in the down you can see Shihtzu Exchange play its role in the real metaverse universal. You can read it. I will read it and tell you necessary information gained in this paragraph. We are creating the largest database of scanned object and people. Shihtzu Exchange will make the revolution and transport the world into the metaverse future for our investors, users and beneficiaries. Shihtzu Exchange committed to expanding our NFT metaverse platform through a combination of collection and NFTs with a wide variety of utility. And we anticipate a sustained role of NFTs in gaming and entertainment, and our goal is to make NFT approachable, accessible and fun for a wide range of players and collectors. And in the down you can see a Shihtzu Exchanging future roadmap. In this we will give you a roadmap of a Shihtzu coin. So how are we going to do all this? Memes industry, metaverse research, NFT mining, feasibility check and validating business models, and all information are given in this paragraph. I will provide you a link in description. You will check out this. And in the down you can see creating the feature white the best of the best. And these are the features of the Shitoo's coin, Yao, Market Watch, Forbes, Crypto Daily, BCS News. And in the down you can see how to buy Shitoo's. This website not launched completely. This is the complete introduction of Shitoo's coin. This coin will be released and launched soon. I will make a video on it again. The Shihtzu Exchange token is a decentralized meme coin cryptocurrency that will play an important role in the evolution of Shihtzu NFT monitoring metaverse gaming platform for listening platform. Our goal is to have the Shihtzu token used as widely as possible across the interactive entertainment industry, providing benefits to developer and publishers as well as a player and investor. And in the down you can see a airdrop coming soon. This is that why, because this web not completely launched. When the website launch you can see a buy option in that. And in the down you can see a Shihtzu Exchange universe. We are building the meme based token that will power the future of the interactive entertainment and industries worldwide. Shihtzu's 2021 all right received, and I can see your token information in this. The token info is that the symbol is Shihtzu's. His I click on it and you can see it. And in the down you can see a Shihtzu's symbol. You can see the symbol of Shihtzu's the symbol like a Bitcoin BTC. His symbol is that STZU, and a smart content address is that you can copy and content with him. And in the down you can see all the websites clearly. I will provide you a link in description. You can watch it. Please like the video and also press the subscribe and press the bell icon. And in the last I want to see you that the about more Shihtzu's meme coin. This is the page of Shihtzu Exchange. Experience the power of metaverse. I will provide you this document link in the description. You can download it and about to check the more information of Shihtzu Exchange universe. Shihtzu Exchange universe was born from South Korea in 2029. And Shihtzu Exchange universe need to add transparency, improve security and give customers full ownership of their digital assets called Shihtzu. And you can read all the information in it, and I will provide you all the necessary information in that is that Shihtzu introducing the next generation universe. Shihtzu Exchange universe is directed to make our world better place with the help of virtual one. And this is the all information of the Shihtzu coin. Spread the word. Raft assessment 9 months 18 months. This is the table of Shihtzu. You can read it, watch it and make the information from it. And in the down you can see a Shihtzu's remuneration level remuneration condition. 1 8% no condition, second 4%, 3 direct, 3 in level 3 you can see our remuneration 2% and condition 4 direct, and level 4 1%, 5 direct, 5 level 1 and 5 directed, 6 to 8 level 0.5% and 5 directed, and 9 to 12 0.25% and 5 directed. And in the down you can see a sponsored downstream bounty condition. 5% business of $20,000, 5 active direct refer. And in the down you can see a 3% business of $50,000, 5 active directed refer. And in the down you can see a business of $1,25,000, 5 active directed refers. And in the down you can see a upline of Mr. Donk, upline of Mr. Junk, upline of Mr. Han, and all these the employees and like Shitos. And in the down you can see a table of sponsors upstream bounty, and in the down you can see a bounty key point and earn rewards and monthly wage. And in the down you can see a reward condition, reward wage business $20,000, 5 directed, $400 reward, $200 till 8 months. At the end, I will explain you Shitoo's earning condition. Daily per yield will credit daily in Shitoo's token reward, and you can read all the information in this page. And at the end, you can see Shitoo's meme coin. Thank you www.shitos.exchange, support shitos.exchange. And I want to say goodbye. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Take care and goodbye.